Hey guys, what's up? It's Mel. Unboxing time again, and today I received an item that I ordered literally 2 days ago, and it has arrived just now, and it's something that I'm hoping will work on my PS3. Even if it does not, I know it'll work on another item. I'll continue to explain right after I open it. So let's go ahead. There you go. I picked this item up. I don't remember what price, even though I picked it up like 2 days ago. But it was a very good deal I got. And let me pull it out here. Alright. I did get something extra with it. This is just something, me and my sister share the same Amazon account. We share my account really, and she had this added on there, so I just picked it up. It's for a keyboard. It looks pretty nice, but yeah, I just picked that up for her, added it to the cart. But what I got is this here. It is a SHARKK, that's the brand right there, keyboard. It is a backlit keyboard, slim Bluetooth. My camera is running out of charge, so I need to make this quick, because I remember my backup batteries are charged. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Look at this. If there is a cutoff though, don't worry guys, I'll continue it. So there you go. It is nice. Very, very thin. Let me just take it out of the packaging here, so you can see it better. Look at that. And like I said, I'm hoping this will work with my PS3. Buttons. Oh yeah, that feels good. Sorry for my dog barking as well. So here we have the little owner's guide with all that awesome information, and just a little note telling you if you have a problem to contact them before giving them a bad review. We have a little carrying pouch here with their branding, and of course the USB to connect or charge it, I'm guessing. I'm not sure. Yeah, so that's that, and it looks like it's micro. There you go. We have the on button here. So there you go, and we have a connect button there. But yeah, that's pretty much it guys. This is a SHARKK Bluetooth slim keyboard. I'm not sure, what was the name again? Can't remember the actual name. SHARKK Slim Bluetooth Backlit Keyboard. So yeah, like I said, I'm hoping it'll work on my PS3. I might test it out right now. I might record a small clip. But that was it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment, like, and subscribe in case I don't add on that other clip or make it a separate video. But I'll see you guys in the next one.